Namaskar. I Amit Kumar welcome you all in IMD's weekly weather briefing. So in this video we will see what weather has prevailed over India during past 7 days and what is the weather expected during next 15 days. So to start with the presentation, now you are seeing the progress of southwest monsoon on your screen. So you can see that till between 12th to 17th of June, the monsoon has covered parts of Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, then entire Andhra Pradesh, some parts of Telangana, some almost all the parts of Karnataka except the northeastern parts and some parts of South Maharashtra. So you can see that this has been the progress of southwest monsoon during this week, and the red color lines which you are seeing, these lines are the normal dates of monsoon advance over the regions. Now if we look at the forecast for progress of monsoon during next 2 weeks, then conditions will be becoming favorable for further advance of southwest monsoon into some more parts of Telangana, Odisha, Jharkhand and Bihar, and some parts of Chhattisgarh during next 4 to 5 days. Now if we look at the forecast for week 2, that is from 25th of June to 1st of July, then the conditions will become favorable for further advance of southwest monsoon into the remaining parts of Central Arabian Sea, Maharashtra, Odisha, Jharkhand, Bihar, some parts of North Arabian Sea, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh during the week. So during week 2, the western branch, the Arabian Sea branch of monsoon will progress northward, going up to South Gujarat, and the Bay of Bengal branch will move westward and will cover up to parts of East Uttar Pradesh. Now if we look at the systems that has prevailed over past week, then you can see that from 11th of June to 17th of June in this animation of satellite images, that multiple there was cloudiness over northwest of India that was associated with the passing of western disturbance, which gave good amount of rainfall, thunderstorms and gusty winds over northwest plains of India and western Himalayan regions. There were multiple cyclonic circulations and trough that developed over the South Peninsular India, East India and Northeast India, resulting into good amount of rainfall. So now the image that you are seeing on your screen is the realization of thunderstorm activities along with gusty winds over the country during past 1 week. So you can see that over entire Northwest India, Central India, West India, East India, thunderstorm activities happened almost on every day over the regions. Now if you look at the dust storms, then you can see that a dust storm was observed over Rajasthan and Madhya Maharashtra for one day. Now coming to the hailstorm, then under the influence of the western disturbance during the last week, you can see that hailstorm was recorded over Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Uttarakhand, East Rajasthan and East Madhya Pradesh. Now if you look at the weekly average maximum temperatures, then you can see in these maps that below normal maximum temperatures by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius was observed over north, northwest and west and adjoining central India, and above normal temperatures by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius was observed over South Peninsular India and East India. Now if you look at the weekly average minimum temperatures, then below normal minimum temperatures by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius over parts of north, northwest and adjoining central India were observed during first half of the week and were near normal during the remaining period. Now if you look at the heat wave warnings that were realized, then you can see that heat wave conditions were realized over Vidarbha, Odisha, East Uttar Pradesh and Punjab during the week. But no major heat wave conditions were observed during this week. Warm night was also observed for one day over Vidarbha and Konkan and Goa. Now if you look at the instances of heavy and very heavy rainfall, then you can see that very heavy rainfall was recorded over East and Northeast India and South Peninsular India, and heavy rainfall was also reported over entire Northeast India, East India and South Peninsular India. India. Heavy rainfall over Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh, East Rajasthan and West Rajasthan was also recorded on some days of the week under the influence of this western disturbance. Now in this map you are seeing the 7-day cumulative rainfall, and in this you can see that a good amount of rainfall was observed over northeast and south peninsular India and over East India. Now if we look at the weekly cumulative rainfall, then you can see that overall all over the country we have received minus 48%, that is less rainfall than long period average, that is against 38.8 mm rainfall. Normal rainfall we have received 20.3 mm rainfall in this week. Except northwest India, all other three homogeneous regions we have received below normal rainfall. Now if you look at the seasonal rainfall, that is from 1st of June to 17th of June, then you can see that for country as a whole we have received minus 38% rainfall, that is against 74.3 mm rainfall we have received 46.2 mm rainfall, and except northwest India, all the remaining three subdivisions, homogeneous regions have experienced below normal rainfall. Now we will look at the forecast for rainfall for next 2 weeks. So for week 1, overall weaker southwest monsoon conditions are likely to prevail over the country during week 1, and you can see that rainfall belt will be confined to the existing northern limits of monsoon, which I have shown you at the starting of my presentation. So overall the rainfall activity is likely to remain below normal over most parts of the country except South Peninsular India and Northeast India, where it will remain near normal. Now if we come to the forecast of week 2, then you can see that as the conditions will be becoming favorable, the monsoon will be progressing, advancing further, and conditions will become favorable for further advance of southwest monsoon during week 2, and overall the rainfall is likely to be below normal over many parts of the country except Konkan and Goa, Karnataka, Rayalaseema, Kerala and Tamil Nadu, where it is likely to be near normal to above normal, and also over northeast India where it will remain above normal. Now we will come to the maximum temperature scenarios. Then maximum temperatures are likely to remain above normal over East India and some parts of Central India during week 1, and also heat wave conditions are also likely to be realized over East India and some parts of Central India, that is Vidarbha and adjoining regions of Telangana and Madhya Pradesh. For week 2, if you will see, then the maximum temperatures will remain above normal over East India and Central India, but there is low probability of heat wave over Northwest India, that is Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh, and Central India, that is Vidarbha and adjoining regions of North Telangana during some days of week 2. Now we will come to the forecast of cyclogenesis. Then during next 2 weeks there is no probability of any cyclogenesis on any of the Indian basin. For detailed 7-day forecast that we have issued today, you can go and watch our daily video, for which the link will be given in the description. Namaskar, Jai Hind.